Hi honeys, how's your day going? Mine is going pretty good. Wasn't feeling too good. Well, I still ain't feeling that good. So I need to cook something quick. So I ordered from Instacart and got something I can just stick in my gadgets and go sit down while everything cooks. So I'm going to show you what I got. Okay, I got the banquet meals, the Salisbury steak and gravy, and I set it for 60 minutes, yeah. So that's how far it's gone. I put some seasoning on top. And you just take the cellophane off the tray and put them in your oven. Okay, I got some corn on the cob. Got these cooking in my electric skillet. Oh, and this is my Cicero air fryer oven. So I don't use my big oven because the big oven will heat up the house. And I got some mashed potatoes. Okay, 2 packs of the Bob Evans mashed potatoes. I seasoned it and got a stick of butter in the center. And put some water in it. Okay, wait for my dinner to get ready and I'm going to sit down. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, this is my meal. It took an hour for this to get done. So, I'm going to sit myself down and eat. I ain't had nothing all day. Let's see what time it is. Need some green on this plate, but ain't none, so this is my dinner. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.